Hi guys, we're gonna make this as a face, and we're gonna make her as a girl. So let's do it. First up her mouth, duh, because how can she speak or something? Next up, oh no, next up her eyes, and also the other eye here. Oh, wait. And we need the blush. Here, the other one. Guys, rate this 1 to 10. It's kind of weird. So yeah, it's kind of weird. But I think it's not gonna weird with her, of course, bangs. I think.
This is awesome. I cannot believe you came through for me. Good? Perfect.
I'm ready to see it. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. There we go.
Oh my gosh, it's a Sephora. Okay, this looks amazing.
There.
Maybe my Sephora doesn't look as good as it did because stuff broke and the girls stole my product. But I think I still have a chance to win.
Lexi said she doesn't like water slides, and this thing goes super fast, so I'm concerned.
And of course her back hair, and it is kind of squishy because I love squishy things. So yeah, and some of them broke, so I had to do it again. So yeah, there, it's kind of hard. There guys, here's the transformation. Ooh, it's so squishy, and I love squishy things. So bye guys.